Here's a soft lace-style border you can stitch on clothing, accessories, or home decor. It looks delicate, but it's very easy, perfect for beginners. Welcome to DIY stitching. Let's start. Begin by working a row of long vertical stitches. Keep them evenly spaced and slightly taut. This gives you a neat foundation for the weave. Now we begin the Cretan open filling. Slide your needle horizontally under the first vertical thread and over the second. Bring it back under the second thread, keeping the working thread above the weaving cross, over the first horizontal stitch and the first vertical stitch. Take your thread under the first vertical stitch and over the previous horizontal stitch. This forms a clean figure 8. Repeat this motion. Work until you complete 4 Cretan stitches. Use your needle to gently push the stitches together to keep them even. Or to begin a new block, take your thread under the second vertical thread and over the third, reverse the direction. Go under the third thread and diagonally over the horizontal stitch to form another figure 8. Continue working in diagonal blocks of 4. Start a new diagonal row the same way and repeat until the area is complete. I'm using linen fabric, pearl cotton thread balls, an embroidery needle, and a tapestry needle for smooth weaving. At DIY Stitching, we transfer embroidery patterns using our own DIY method. You'll find the tutorial in the description, but feel free to use any method you prefer. The lines you see on the fabric are simply a sketch, a visual guide that shows where each stitch goes. It helps keep everything neat and easy to follow. You can download this pattern sketch from the link in the description. As a final touch, switch to a contrasting thread and add small lazy daisy stitches along the border. These tiny loops give the design a beautiful lace-like finish. This border is perfect for sleeves, necklines, frocks, dresses, bags, scarves, cushion covers, pillowcases, and even traditional outfits. If you enjoyed this calm and easy tutorial, please like the video, share it, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly embroidery designs. See you in the next video. Happy stitching!